Here's another 2021 F350 regular cab. This one's the XL trim level, so it's a nicely equipped truck. Ready to go to work, four-wheel drive. Tough trucks. The Super Duties are very tough trucks. Hard to beat them. Also hard to beat the deal you can get on this truck right here at McDonald Motors Ford in Center Conway, New Hampshire. So let me get around here and I'm going to show you the interior. And you get bench seating for 3 here in the front. And there's your dash layout. It's got tilt cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlamps. Nice truck, well equipped. So stop by McDonald Motors Ford here in Center Conway and check it out. You can also learn all about it on our purchase-capable interactive website, which is www.mcdonaldmotorsford.com. And thank you for watching.